Hi, I'm John Doperalski from Harrison Hydrogen, and we're here to talk to you today about the latest addition to our hPower family. It's our tray mount hPower. It's a battery energy storage system that allows you to pair it up with your idle reduction system on your truck. Inside this box are lithium batteries. We can give them to you in a couple different sizes, either 275 amp hours or 425 amp hours, and I'll explain that in a minute. It also has a battery charger in here and a management system for the battery, so it always keeps giving you the right voltage when you need it. The system is designed to give you your power, your DC power, when the truck engine is off. It's built with the same thought process that Harrison has always used in their engineering to make it so easy to install. It's virtually plug and play. As you can see on the front, the connectors, everything is connected with Deutsch connectors. The advantages of this system, we were asked to build this system by our customers because they wanted something that could help in the green, reduce the carbon footprint. So the system reduces your fuel consumption because it runs all your DC power while your engine is off. It eliminates the need or reduces the need for a lot of your engine maintenance. It increases your chassis life by 3 to 5 years. The safety part of it is when you're using it, your truck engine's off, so you don't have any emissions. And it's a lot quieter at the scene when your people are working to do their jobs. If you need any more information about it, you can call Harrison Hydrogen or email us at sales@harrisonhydrogen.com.